Hey everyone, Jessica here. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I hope everybody's having like a really awesome start to the year. Personally, I had a really nice holiday break and really took a break from work. So I came back refreshed. And after a cold for a week that really laid me out, I'm hitting my stride and getting lots of things done. And I have a really exciting announcement to share with you guys is that I am going to be moving my membership to Patreon. And Patreon is really cool because it will allow me to have a better membership with multiple levels and make it absolutely easier for members to access your downloads, see everything I'm creating. You don't have to hop around, you don't have to search for downloads. You don't have to worry about anything. It's just going to all be there in a linear format. You can see every update I'm doing. And I'm super excited to launch it. So I'm going to have all of the details down below. And so you can read all about it and what the differences will be. And if you're an all access member right now, don't hesitate to message me directly if you have any questions. But I'm so excited for this. And it's just going to mean I have to spend less time on marketing and more time on content creation, because as a person who creates digital assets and tutorials for a living, it's harder and harder to make a living at this. And you can ask any of my colleagues, compatriots that sell on different marketplaces. It's pretty brutal, but that's why I wanted to take my membership to Patreon and offer different levels. And in fact, for the all access like I have now, it's actually going to be $5 cheaper. So that's going to be really cool. And we're going to have a new schedule that is a new tutorial and toolkit every week. So that's going to be something that you can look forward to every week. No surprises. And then lots of other little surprises and bonuses. And what I like about the Patreon format is it's kind of like a diary. So I don't have to worry about SEO and marketing it. And this will just allow me to bring you more content faster on a regular schedule, make little brushes, make little tutorials, make big ones, but I can just really focus on the content creation, which is what I love. And I really hate to take time out of my day as a solopreneur to work so much on marketing. So for me, this will just be a joy. And then it's going to be great for members because you're going to have more rewards, and there's different levels so you can see which one works for you. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I'm super excited to share this journey, this and just bring you guys more and more resources and really take this to the next level in 2020. So just read all the information below. If you have a question, you can message me directly via email, DM me, whatever you want on any platform, it's fine. And I'll link the email down below, but it'll be support@creatorscouture.com. So I'm super excited and just happy to share this news with you. And so finally took some time out to make a video, which I sometimes is a little hard to get behind the camera and you feel like a dork, but I just wanted to tell you this news personally so that you can see that there's a person behind the site, and hopefully I'll show my face a little bit more in 2020, but that also will involve taking more showers and getting myself presentable, which is not my favorite thing to do. So anyway, wishing you guys an amazing new year, and thanks so much for supporting me and helping me to keep doing what I love, because I just want to bring you so many things in 2020 and so many tutorials, tips, tools, tricks, and just take everybody up to the next level this year. So thanks a lot, and feel free to put any comments below or questions or whatever. All right, talk to you soon.